So due to popular demand, I'm going to make another video of a bowie knife being used to light up a fire pit. So we got your fire stick right here and your bowie knife right there. You're going to use that little groove. Wait, just there you go. That little groove. And make sure you got plenty of dry grass. And try not to. Oh, almost there. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, not yet. Almost there. I can almost see the fire coming on. Okay, let's try the other side. Oh, no, that's gonna break it. Oh, I'm guessing my grass isn't too dry. Ah, there we go. There we have it. Nice big chunk of fire. Ooh. Yeah, and you gotta make sure you got plenty of wood around it to keep it going. There you have it.